Is that so?
Like this one? This one?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's okay. It's supposed to be.
I guess I'm over.
You might want to explain to him what to use the rake for.
Jake, here, watch. This is what Jacob needs to do, okay? Watch. Like this. You gotta move all this stuff around. Okay? Alright, do that. Here, Daddy, go. Thank you. That'll save Daddy from doing so much of it. Thank you very much for your help.
What a big helper you are.
Yeah, mixing it all around. Good job. You're a very useful boy. Yeah?
Yeah. Did I do it?
Yeah.